In the mood for something different? Let's check out this Look Great, Feel Better box. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thank you so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So today I have something a little different. This is the Look Great, Feel Better box. This is not a subscription. They offer it, I don't know how often, and you can pick it up or not, but the proceeds do go to some charitable organizations. So I did like that. So it says, more than makeup, Look Good, Feel Better programs have proven to be an essential element in holistic cancer support by instilling confidence, reviving self-esteem, and providing a sense of control and normalcy during cancer treatment and recovery. And you can visit lookgoodfeelbetter.org to learn more or to donate. All right, so this spring has sprung. Take time to refresh, rejuvenate, and reveal the beauty all around us. There is a discount code for French dressing jeans, and I guess that's fashion that gives back. And here is your sneak peek. So I believe this was $69.95. I can't remember how many items were in here, but there were some really great items. You did see what was going to be in there before purchasing. So let's get into this. I don't see any other cards in here. No other cards. So I will get those retail prices and pop them up there for you from either their site, which I think had the MSRP, or just from each of the manufacturers' websites, or like Sephora or something like that. So first by Tula is their Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. So I do love this brand. This is a cruelty-free brand, and it's like a little bit of stickiness outside, but I think it's sealed, but it looks like it maybe just leaked through a tiny bit. It should still be fine. I've used a lot of the Tula products and really love them, so I can speak to that. I haven't tried this one yet. Next by Clarins is the Instant Smooth Line Smoothing Perfecting Touch, I don't know, cream? It doesn't say. Smooths wrinkles and fine lines. Blur effect texture. Apply alone or before makeup. Okay. Plant enriched. I don't know. Maybe it's a primer. There is how she looks. This is 15 milliliters. It is, everything in here is, I believe, supposed to be full size. I don't know much about this company. I know Tula is a cruelty-free company. There is nothing on here other than plant enriched. There's no bunny or anything. That doesn't necessarily mean it's not. By the Lunette Shop is the Sweet Dreams Tranquility Pillow Spray with lavender oil in the scent Wild Lavender. But look at this side. Isn't that so gorgeous? Let's take a little sniff. Oh, that does smell lovely. If you like lavender, I do. Not everybody does. If you don't, this wouldn't be a good product for you, obviously. But if you do, it smells great like that. Next by Yensa is the Super 8 Lip Oil. This is something familiar to anybody who gets Ipsy BoxyCharm, because I think I've gotten at least some shade of this. This is in Crush It Coral. My daughter loves this though, so this is like one of her most favoritist items. All right, that is different. Usually the ones that we have are clear. All right, that's very different. We don't have this particular shade or type. The ones that we have are kind of clear with a tint. That's a definite color though. Smells nice. I like that it's a lip oil because it's very nurturing to the lips. by Olaplex is the number 6 Bond Smoother. This is a leave-in treatment and styling cream. Love Olaplex. This is 3.3 ounces. And Olaplex is cruelty-free. So this might be a sample. I'm not really sure. This is by Shiseido. It is the, I'm going to put my glasses on for this because it's smaller writing. This is the Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate with Immunogeneration Red technology. This is 10 milliliters or 0.33 ounces. And that's all it says. This is a very, very expensive brand. I got some eye cream from Influencer that I really like from them. It was like a $300 eye cream. All right, so there we go. So I'm really not sure, because it says it's a power concentrate. It may be something that you mix in with something else. So I will look that up and I'll have that information right there. I can get like a blurb or something from their site. I'll kind of screenshot that into there for you. Next, by Bare Minerals, is their Original Mineral Veil Pressed Setting Powder. And this is in translucent, so it should be a universal for everyone. Now, when Bare Minerals first came out, I have like so many things from Bare Minerals. I loved their mineral powder. I love their mineral powder eyeshadows. I have so many of those still. I'll still use them. I'm just saying, like, I'll still use that stuff. I don't know if it's gone bad or not, but it looks good to me. All right, so here's how this looks. So it's obviously not a powder. It is just a pressed, but I do love this company. Recently, but maybe like a year ago, I got a tinted moisturizer and loved it. It was like a perfect match from like BoxyCharm or Ipsy. So happy to get this. I believe this is a cruelty-free company, and I know it was female founded, so I know that about it. Remember the infomercials with the lady who developed it? I definitely don't see the powder stuff anymore, which when I was younger and I had very oily skin, it was perfect. It was like the first thing that just didn't feel like it was heavy on my skin. And now that I'm older, I don't necessarily know that a powder base works. I like a cream based better these days, but you know, as you get older, your skin changes. All right, next, this is my newest favorite mascara. And it's a full size. I have a teeny tiny one. This is by Benefit. It's the Bad Girl Bang, and it has this super thin wand, and I love it. So that's what I'm wearing today, actually. So I'm super excited to get a full size. The value is definitely here in this box. So here is how it looks. And if you are looking for a mascara that's really going to give you that kind of like boom, I'm telling you, love this one. The last thing in here is by Dior, and this is the Joy Eau de Parfum. That's how you pronounce it. I don't know. It even has a little seal on the top. So fancy. Here it is. What a beautifully simple bottle. Oh, that's lovely. It does have, as it settles, some musk, but it also has some really nice light notes. I'll put them up here because the musk is misdirecting me as to what that scent is, but lovely. And I don't think that's going to bother me. I don't think so. All right, so I think that was really worth the price. Again, they don't do them necessarily monthly. I don't think it's not a subscription. I know that. It's like, here's the box we have if you want it, kind of like Trend Move, right? When they sell out, they sell out. The difference is that their proceeds are going towards a charitable organization. So that is my Look Good, Feel Better box. And I definitely think the volume was there. Pretty excited. My favorite product is, I mean, there's a lot of products I love in here. This, because this is the mascara I am currently obsessed with, but the Olaplex, the Bare Mineral, oh no, that's not Bare Minerals, the Bare Minerals, the Tula, lip oil, Shiseido, pillow spray, the Clarins, and the Dior perfume. I gotta say, not a bad little haul for the price. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite product. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.